Hey loves, in today's video I will be reviewing Sensational BareLace Unit 1 and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package, and as you can see, this lace looks so good, it looks so natural, so I'm really excited for this install. First thing I like to do is take my claw clips and push the hair to the back. Then I like to go in with my scissors and cut the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. To lay this lace down, I'm going in with the Kiss Colors adhesive spray, and I've only applied 1 layer of that spray, but I would suggest at least 3 layers for a longer hold. Then I went in with my blow dryer on a cool setting until the adhesive was nice and tacky, enough for me to lay the lace down. Then I went back in with my blow dryer on the same setting until the lace was fully glued down. You want to repeat those same exact steps to the other 2 sections. I'm taking that adhesive spray and applying it on top of the lace for a stronger hold. Now I'm going in with an elastic band and a blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to melt down this lace. I do this step for about 5 minutes, then without the blow dryer, keeping the elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace off. I like to cut my lace in sections, and while cutting the lace, I like to cut in a zigzag motion for a more natural look. For a neater installed look, you want to go in with some alcohol to clean off any extra residue that was left on the lace. I went back in with that same adhesive spray to lay down any areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Then I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. I'm using the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. This is a frontal wig, and this unit gives you enough space to either do a side part or a middle part, but today I'm going with the middle part. To get that flat installed look, I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush, and I'm just going over the foundation of this wig to get it nice and flat. in with the hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down this unit even more. For my baby hairs, I'm only pulling out a very thin amount of hair because I like my baby hairs to be on a more natural, softer looking side. I'm using the Kiss razor to cut my baby hairs down. I went back in with the hot comb to flatten this hair down. With this unit, especially because it's straight, you want to make sure you can get it as flat as possible. I went in with the edge flat iron to curl my baby hairs downwards, and this will give it that soft, fluffy baby hair look. To style my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Monae Bee Flex Insta Hold Spray. I like to use a holding spray when I'm styling my edges because it just leaves the edges looking more natural. It doesn't have like a shiny or hard type of look to it. When it comes to styling your baby hairs, it is a bit of a process, so you have to just swoop the baby hairs in a direction that you want them to lay until you are satisfied with the outcome. I'm using my vent brush to brush out this hair. Because it is straight, all I had to do was literally just brush it out. I went in with the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color medium brown to enhance my parting space. Here's the final look of Sensationnel BareLace Unit 1, and I love the outcome. This unit looks so natural, even in person. I was honestly amazed at how natural this synthetic unit looked. The texture on this unit is a light Yaki texture. When you look at it in person, it has this very natural Yaki look to it, and I really love it. I knew that the lace on this unit was going to look super realistic, and I also love the way that I did the baby hairs on this unit as well. Here's a side view of this unit. As you can see, this unit has very light layers to it, which is great because it really adds more personality to the unit. I didn't have any problems with tangling, knots. There wasn't any excessive shedding with this unit, and honestly, these new synthetic wigs have not been missing at all. It's been a hit a lot, and I'm very happy about that. Here's how the back of the unit look. There's no gaps. It still looks very natural, and it doesn't have that super stiff look. The quality of this synthetic unit is really good. It feels very soft as I was running my fingers through it. I have no complaints. Sensationnel, they did their thing once again. That concludes this video. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.